Okay, we are crossing the finish line of our course. All the cats are already drawn and covered with fur. There are only a few steps left to get the work done. Right, coming back to our Siamese, its general colors are too yellowish for me. In order to adjust the drawing, I'll use a clipping mask, which will act only on the cat's figure, not the background. That's why it's so useful. The mask I've created is a color balance. Here you can easily correct tonalities you need to. Moreover, I guess our Siamese still needs blue eyes. I'll give them color by using the same technique, but adding also selection mask, which will apply the color only on the eyes area. We'll use the same method for the three of our cats. Once this part is done, I'll change also the background color and place a shade beneath our feline. I'm using the same type of mask for all three cats, but now it's applied only on the background layer and it's not clipped. That's because we'll place another layer with a shade beneath it. And another one done. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you had a great time drawing cats with me. I'm looking forward to meet you in the next Toothpad course. Bye bye!